Track 51.
Hi, Jane. This is Tanya. I'm calling to make arrangements for the concert on Saturday. I can't believe you've never been to the arena before. I often go at the weekend. There isn't just the arena concert venue. There are also lots of other things to do. Shopping, restaurants, exhibitions. I'm giving Melissa and Sarah a lift. So, shall we all meet up for a coffee before the concert? I'll give you directions. OK, listen carefully. As you walk through the main entrance, you come to a square with a big fountain in the middle. This is where people usually arrange to meet up, and sometimes they have live music here. Beyond the square, on Main Avenue, on your right, there are several restaurants. And opposite these, on your left, is an exhibition centre. There used to be a cinema here, but they moved it when they finished building the arena. So, there are several coffee shops to choose from. One near the fountain, and one in the north end of the building. But I suggest that we go to the one at the end of Main Avenue, because it'll probably be less busy than the others. It's right at the end, after you pass the art gallery on the right. So, shall we all meet there at 7 o'clock? Then, after we've had a coffee, to get into the arena, we just need to go through the shopping centre, which will be on our right once we go back down Main Avenue. It can be a bit tempting, but there's no other way to get there, as the arena is the other side of it. Oh, and there are toilets beside the entrance if you need them. And then, after the concert, they open the door opposite, and you can go straight out into the car park, which is very convenient. Let me know if you can make it for 7. I'm looking forward to seeing you. It's been a while.